And Kenya is keen on supporting local vehicle assembly as a key pillar of the country's industrial strategy to create jobs and strengthen small and medium-sized enterprises. Investments Cabinet Secretary Kinyanjui says the government is rolling out measures to strengthen domestic manufacturing to drive down prices of vehicles and deepen the Buy Kenya, Build Kenya agenda.
With expanded assembly programs and rising regional demand, the industry players say local vehicle assembling is supporting industrial growth, skills development, and long-term economic transformation. Investments Cabinet Secretary says increased vehicle assembling supports expansion of production capacity, increasing value addition, and creates employment opportunities across the supply chain.
One of the recommendations that we will be looking at is how Kenya can make itself more attractive, not just for part manufacturing, but eventually to have a vehicle or vehicles at different levels manufactured in Kenya.
It will also mean that this product can be sold by a wider network than the network that we have today, because the dealers who are also selling the second-hand vehicles will be able to now sell to their customer because we have entered that market.
Kinyanjui is urging Kenyan individuals and institutions to embrace locally made vehicles to benefit from tax incentives tied to local manufacturing, which ultimately lowers the overall cost of vehicles.
The biggest driver in this whole conversation is government policy around taxation and vehicle leasing. So if government continues to lease more and more vehicles, and one of the conditions for you to participate in the government leasing program is that the vehicle is locally assembled and a certain percentage input must be local, then we are seeing a turnaround of the industry.
Ndutamo Kami for Prime Edition.